care. You don't care about me riding my bike.
Hello. This is the official test for my GoPro. I just got a new SD card in. So yeah, it's doing good. Hopefully the audio isn't too bad. And I guess we're going on an adventure. I got my bike here. It's ready. Let's roll. And right over there, I'm gonna upload a video soon, like a short, I think it's 40 seconds video. Because right now, they are corrupt dusting on the box. So I guess we'll get some footage of that. But, yes. So, let's go. Hopefully it's not too shaky. I can't see on this GoPro. It's only Hero 4 or 3, I'm not sure. But, let's go. Shaky right here. Yep. Now it's probably not gonna be as shaky, but I wouldn't rely on it to not be shaky. But yeah, hopefully the audio is picking up what I'm saying in a good quality. And I think they're still flying around, so let's get into it. I hear them. Oh, that just might be the highway. They might be parked right now, refueling on the pesticide. And he's not parked. And I don't hear him, so I don't know where he is. So let me just check and see. Yeah, he's not parked. Over there is where he would be parked, but he's not. I wonder where he is. I'm being attacked by flies.
Yeah, so it's like. You want to go in the bumps? Let's go in the bumps. Yeah.
Sure. We'll try because I got my new GoPro on. Let's do. I'm holding it right now because unfortunately the bottom broke. No, I'll upload this video. I'm gonna upload a new video on my phone, probably. First, I'm just gonna take a picture real quick and get out of my PewDiePie video. I was watching PewDiePie's Minecraft video. I will show you what I'm doing. And just take the picture. Hold on. I'm just waiting for it to load. And right here, see how it's.
Can't I see a truck? It looks like it's driving.
Cool. Oh yeah, he's leaving. Yeah, they're done, I guess. See, it's broken at the bottom. So yeah. Anyways, let's go. So we're gonna go down there. As I said, the bumps, the little hills. Let's go. Let's get rolling. Coming our way. He's not. No, he isn't. He's going back, so go. Hurry up before. No, he can't. Trucks can't come up here, so let's go. Hurry up. Because I don't feel like getting in trouble today. Let's go. I wonder where they keep the helicopter. Probably, I'm assuming not really around here. Okay, let's go. Hopefully I don't get attacked or bit by any flies. Chances of me actually getting bit and attacked is very high because I'm getting attacked right now. So, let's go. I'm hoping to go fast. It feels really good on the bumps, just so you know. A little bit of loose sand here, so. Shoot. I'm getting attacked. Holy crap. I can't make this whole thing. They're everywhere, dude. Oh my god, dude. Let's get out of here. Bam. Oh my god. Hold up. Let's get out of here, dude. Hurry up, let's go. I'm not getting attacked and bit. I'm just not dealing with it. Frank, keep up, we're going fast. Okay. Woo! It's so fun. I almost crashed. See? Look at that, it's so fun. It goes all the way down there too. Oh my god. I'm trying to keep it as the least amount of shakiness as possible. Ryan's still behind us, and we're still going. I hope it's not that shaky for you guys. Yeah, I think the bumps are over. It's just now really bumpy because of the rocks and stuff, as you can see. So let's go. Those are big trucks. Yeah, see, we were right on the highway. This is the part where we get attacked the most. Trees in the way. Good thing this is other side of the path. We can go around. And as you can see, we're on the other side of the tree. Let's go. There's a jump down here that I'm hoping to ace, but I'm not sure if I can with you guys strapped on me. Oh my God, they built it up. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, they built this up really good. I'm not going over that.
Dude, should I go over it?
No. Oh yeah, they built these things up, dude. Holy crap. Yeah, there's a giant hole right here. No, let's go. I'm getting attacked over here, dude, by flies. Holy crap. What? Yeah, I know. Dude. One of these times I'm gonna come out. I bet it was Dominic. I bet it was that kid Dominic. 100%. Hurry up. Let's go. Yeah, I'm getting attacked bad and it smells like trash. Alright. So yeah, that was pretty cool, huh? And yeah. I'm gonna come over here, hopefully get a new GoPro soon. The Hero 7, the new one. And I'm gonna hopefully get a body attachment so I can attach it to my chest. It smells like garbage. And I'm watching Ryan, it's a clear path. So, and we are pretty much out now. Oh, bumpy. And we're out. I'll show you where we're headed now. Yep, we're out now. See, it doesn't lead much far at all. We're only a block away, believe it or not. I know. Bomb the hill. Bomb the hill, bomb the hill. Go straight up the hill. This is a steep hill. Doesn't appear so on camera, but let's go. Let's get it. Still got Ryan here. Yeah, that's it. So we're now at the 1 block mark. We're at 8 minutes. Wow. Another pretty big hill. Going pretty fast on this, I'm not gonna lie. Ryan and back. It's turned out well for a first video, I hope. I'm hopefully expecting a new video coming soon. We still haven't done the Nerf war. That's coming to very soon. Maybe tomorrow. I hope. Wait. Wednesday. I'd say Sunday at the latest. But yeah. We might conclude it. Dirt roads down there took us all the way out over there. And there's my house. Martin's house is right over there. We're gonna go down to the pond now. See, this is Martin's house. Oh yeah, my GoPro's waterproof, so I can put it in there. Do I want to? No, not really. But hey, I mean, I guess I get some footage. See how it is. What? No. Too far. Oh, no hands. One hand, other hand. Oh, he wants to race? We rolling, boys. And we're here, I gotta switch gears. Okay, again, I'm gonna switch front gear so I can actually pedal up here. Now, I might fly down it. Should I fly down? Cool. I'm going anyways. Pause in here. Whoa. I'm skidding, dudes. Alright, and we're here. Yeah. Mine's much better because look at my back tires. That design thing. See that big beach over there? Suicide Hills over there, so see if there's any fish right here. We're at 10 minutes. Wow. Pretty long video, eh? Usually you can see some sunfish right about here. A couple minnows. Oh, there's another fish right over there. Bunch of stuff. There's frogs, there's turtles in here. Bunch of stuff.
Turtles.
Yes, so definitely. I've seen them myself. There's a bunch of activity around, but no sunfish. Let's go over this way. Windmills. That's the dirt road over there, that cabin. There's another entrance to the beach, is that dirt road over here. Let's just see. I don't know if there's any down here. I'm not sure. So. Now, this pond is that bush. You used to walk around that. You used to be able to walk like a foot. There's like a 2 feet of entrance there. Now it's all gone. I'm gonna stick the GoPro in the water over here. Hopefully it's not the last video. You know, it says it's waterproof. I was 180 feet down. This is pretty good, but hey, we'll see. 3, 2, 1.